First, it started out as dreams.
But the most visceral dreams I've ever experienced.
You told me the universe would deliver you an idea. Well, maybe this is it.
What, like a slasher flick? Gross.
I'm excited you have a new idea. It sounds kind of cool. Baby man.
But it's gotta be smart.
Be warned, spoilers ahead.
Interior, convenience store, night. It's real.
He hit her with an axe.
I think this is my fault.
Maybe you didn't manifest this, okay?
I think writing about this, it made it happen.
They laughed and screamed, "Baby, baby, you're a big baby."
Finish the story or she dies.
Tell me about what's going on.
I need to finish this script, or he kills Kate.
Kate! Haven't you ever heard of suffering for your art?
Suit yourself, you suffer. Pack of Reds.
You know, those things would kill you.